Hi there, today I'm going to show you step by step of how I created and mounted my Lego up house to make it appear to be floating in the air. If this interests you, please stay tuned cause it's coming up. Okay, this is the hardware and tools you'll need. 2 3.5-inch L brackets with 2 holes. 4 short countersink screws with nuts and washers. 4 2 to 2.5-inch drywall screws, sometimes called grabbers. You can do longer, which go to as long as 3.5 inches, or shorter, which usually are about an inch, but I wouldn't recommend it. A good pair of scissors, a knife can work too. A Phillips screwdriver. Two non-Lego 2x4 plates and 2 non-Lego 2x12 plates. First drill the holes in a 2x12 plate. Again, I suggest using non-Lego like Mega blocks since this does destroy them. Count 4 studs and begin at the center after the 4th, or flip it over and use the 4th circle. Try to drill as straight as possible. Turn the plate around to the other end and do the same on the first circle. Now repeat with the second 2x12 plate. You can test the 2x4 plates to make sure they attach. Now place a screw into each hole, screw head upward, making sure it doesn't go all the way through, or you'll have to start over. After all 4 screws are in, line each plate up on an L bracket like so, 4 studs on end. Try to keep the plate straight as possible, aligning it with the edge of the bracket. This is very important, since the holes usually are offset. Now, thread a washer and nut on each screw, tightening with your finger and screwdriver. Don't use pliers or a wrench cause this can crack the plates and make them unusable. Attach each 2x4 plate on the outer end of each assembled L bracket like so. Next, attach the foundation built earlier in my video shown in the link above. The L bracket goes on the end with the lip and inside the opening. If done correctly, you should see 2x2 studs plus the screw through the opening. Now time to mount it on a wall. I pre-drilled my holes the same way we're mounting this. The foundation keeps the L bracket straight. Once the holes are started, you can remove it anyway. Just don't tighten the screws all the way yet. Now reconnect the foundation if it was removed. It should line right up. Now you can carefully tighten up the screws, holding the foundation to keep it connected. Check to make sure it's tight. Now repeat for the second set of screws, tightening them snug, but not too much. Work patiently, and it'll look great. You can check to make sure there's no wiggling. Now attach the uphouse like this, onto the two studs on each side like a modular like so. And that's it. It's floating in the air.